So this problem says a survey of 295 students was conducted. So we know that this whole thing is going to equal 295. I'm writing with my mouse, so bear with me. All right. And two numbers have been filled in for us. So it says right here, 181 students were right-handed. And so if they were right-handed, you can completely take your thumb and cover up the left-handed circle. They were not left-handed, they were right-handed. And since there's 8 different parts in this Venn diagram, anytime you cover up a circle, which is 4 parts, it will leave you with 4 parts. So don't forget that number outside the circles there. But we can't do that 181, so hold that thought. And we'll go to the next one. 52 boys. All right, so if they're boys, then they're not going to be in the girl circle. So I'll cover up the girl circle because they are boys. And then they were left-handed. So that means these 2 spots left in the left-handed circle, those represent left-handed boys. So I'll do 52 minus 35, and I get 17 for this little spot right here. Alright. The next one says 12 left-handed girls. So if they're left-handed, then that tells us they are in this left-handed circle. And they are girls. So out of this left-handed circle, we're talking about these 2 spots that are girls. And it says they had an iPhone. So we're talking about that middle spot right there. So this middle spot right here is going to be 12. Because they are girls who are left-handed with an iPhone. Awesome. Then it says 97 right-handed boys. So right-handed means they're not left-handed. So I'm going to cover up my left-handed circle. And then it says right-handed boys. So they're also not girls. So I'll cover up my girl circle. And it says were surveyed. So that leaves these 2 spots to equal 97. So if I do 97 minus 24, I get 73. All right. Last bullet down here says 86 right-handers. So again, they're not left-handers. So I'll cover up my left-handed circle. 86 right-handers did not have an iPhone, so I'm also going to cover up my iPhone circle. And that leaves these 2 spots. So I'm going to take 86 minus 24, and I get 62 for this room right here. Alright. So now we are back at the top bullet. Because 181 students were right-handed. So that means they were not left-handed. So I'm going to cover up a left-handed circle. And all 4 of those numbers should add up to 181. And so I'm going to add 24 plus 73 plus 62. That gives me 159. And I'll do 181 minus 159. And that gives me 22. Awesome. Alright, so we answered all of our bullets. So now we can take the fact that we have 295 total in this rectangle, but we're missing a number. And so I'm going to add up all these numbers that are in here. And I get 245. And I'll subtract that from 295. And that leaves me with 50 to go right here. Alright, now we'll answer our questions. How many left-handed girls, so they're in the left-handed circle, so they're in this left-handed circle here, and they are girls, so we're talking about these 2 spots, those are left-handed girls, and then it says did not own an iPhone, so that's those 50 right there. Alright. Then it says, how many boys, so if they're boys, we know they're not girls, so we're talking about these people there, those are all boys. owned iPhones? Well, only 2 of those own iPhones. 73 plus 17, and that gives us 90. All right. And then the last one, how many girls, so we've narrowed it down to the girl circle here. Okay. How many girls owned an iPhone? So only these 2 spots right here owned an iPhone. And so 22 plus 12 gives us 34. So my hint is take your time, and anytime it's not in a circle, cover that one up.